Hey YouTube, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm just gonna make a quick, real fast, short proof video. It is the 10th of March, morning time here where I am, and just wanted to make a quick, like I said, Clickbank video, a proof video to show you really that it's possible to make money online. A lot of people don't believe that you can really make money online. So if you look down below the video, you'll see that this video was uploaded on the 10th of March, thereby proving that this is how much I've been making each day: 34, 17, 17, 16, 33. And this is all residual income, guys. It's not any type of income that I have to work for. This money comes in every month on autopilot, because the people who have purchased a package from me have bought a subscription, and so this money just comes in every month. Now guys, this is what I call attraction marketing. You've come here to learn how to make money online, okay? And there's tons of ways on this channel where I show you that over the last 8 years I've made money in Google AdSense, I've made money in Clickbank and ClickSure, and CPA marketing and more niche, and all types of stuff. But right now I'm dealing with rev share marketing. Right now, I don't know when you're listening to this video, but right now it's 2016 and rev shares are hot. Now what I mean by that, that's you only need 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes is all I do. Only work I do all day is 5 minutes, and I feel a little guilty, so I just make a video and make a couple posts on the Facebook, and that's it. That's my day. It's entirely done after that. What I'll do is I log in for that page account. I'll go ahead and buy my shares for that day. Okay, that takes less than 5 minutes. I'll do that periodically throughout the day, maybe about 4 or 5 times at the most, where I'll just log into my For That Pays account, buy the shares I need to buy. I don't watch the ads. Some people view ads. I actually buy it vacation time for the whole year, which is $150. That way I don't have to look at any ads. Okay, they require you to look at 4 ads, I believe, and now I think they just changed it to 8 ads. Okay, and they're about 10 seconds a piece, so it's like 80 seconds or something like that, about a minute and something, and then you're done. And that's simple for anybody to do. But I'm a little lazy and I like to travel, and I don't want to keep up with all that type of stuff. And so the only thing I need to do is just log into my account, go ahead and click the purchase shares amount, and go ahead and pay for my shares. And I have videos on that. In fact, a couple of videos before this one, you'll see how to purchase your shares, and I go over that real quickly. So that's really simple. And then what I like to do is I like to have certain repetitive consistencies that allow me to just basically keep on the right track, which is advertising. So what I'll do is I'll make a video on YouTube, okay, and sometimes I'll make 2 or 3, just depending on how I feel or what subject matter I want to cover that day. But normally I make 1 video. Sometimes a day might slip by me, but I usually make 1. I'll post about maybe 3 or 4 posts on Facebook throughout the day, and that's it. I'm done. That's my work for the day. Now guys, if you learn about consistency and repetition, those are your most powerful weapons. Okay, you have 365 days in this year. If you commit to, like, say when people get to when people come to like January 1st and they make the resolutions, they say, I'm going to do this for the year, I'm going to do that for the year. One of the biggest things, guys, that you should do, and even if it's not the first of the year, make a commitment to yourself now to do the same thing over and over again every day. Like when you get up in the morning, what do? You wash your face, you brush your teeth, you take a shower, whatever the case may be. These are repetitious things you do in order to get certain results that you want to have, which is cleanliness. So in this case, you want to make money. You want to advertise, because advertising brings people to you. That's actually how they see your business, right? And from there, they listen to your pitch, they listen to who you are, they find out more about you, and you plant a seed in their mind. Maybe you offer them some free advice or some information, or you coach them in some way, shape, or form, or they like your style, whatever the case may be, and they decide to join with you, whatever program you're involved in. You give them enough information for them to make an intelligent decision to say, hey, this is something I want to be involved in, right? Well, that is something that you need to do on a daily basis, because there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people in this world, and when you're on the when you're on the internet, you're actually reaching the world, as they call it, the World Wide Web. Right now, there's people in Thailand who are watching my videos, because when I look at the data, I can see what countries are looking at my videos. There's people, of course, in the United States, the United Kingdom. There's people in, Scotland. There's people in Wales, same difference. There's people in, Australia. There's people from all over the world watching, my videos, listening to my voice, joining with me, asking me questions, getting advice from me, whatever the case may be. And that's all because I took action. I decided that I was going to make videos every day, for this year, 365 days. So that when I get done, I'm up 365 more videos than I was the year before. And I know that with each video, I'm going to get an average of around anywhere between 5 to maybe 15 views a day per video, and when you do the math and you times it times 365 videos and therefore on and on and on, all of those, the metrics, okay, and the statistics of all those things equal dollar signs, okay, because it's an odds game. It's like a numbers game. When you have so many people watching you, eventually someone will purchase, someone will join up, someone will buy, okay? So that's the advice I want to give you today, is that if you are planning to join with me and you want to, you want one of the simplest ways to make money online, which is for that page right now, click the link below, get involved with me, sign up, for that page, watch the videos, get the understanding, join me on Facebook, ask me any questions, okay, that you might have. But at the same time, you may say, hey, Michael, I want to recruit like you do. I want to, be able to bring in people every day to my business, no matter what the business is. I want people to get to know me, whatever the case may be. Then